Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the part 2 of electro-pneumatic components. Today we will learn about limit switches. So what are limit switches? So I have a good definition here. So it is a type of switch which is mechanically actuated by the position or movement of components like piston rod, motor shaft, or a load. After the actuation, it will send an electrical signal to control the next step or the next system. We discussed about limit switches in the pure pneumatic system in this video. You can check that out. The difference between the previous and this one is that the working medium is different. In pure pneumatic system, only medium was airflow, but here it is electricity or flow of electron. If we compare the push button and limit switch, then push buttons are manually actuated and limit switches are automatically actuated by some movement of the cylinder or piston. There are two types of limit switches. One is lever actuated contacts and another is spring loaded. If the required operation is slow, then lever actuated contact will do the job. But if the operation requires very fast movement or fast control, then spring loaded contacts is needed. So here are some functions: detects position and sends signal to the next action. It is used in automation, electro-pneumatic and safety system. Now let me show you a cross-sectional view of a limit switch. We have already seen this diagram in pure pneumatic system when I was showing about the limit switch. The mechanism is very same. A cylinder rod will hit this roller, then this roller will change the position and it will be in this position, right? Because of that, this switch will be pushed like the push button. Then this 1 and 4 will be connected. So initially 1 and 2 was connected, but after actuation 1 and 4 will be connected. Here is the symbol in the right side. Initially 1 and 2 was connected, then 1 and 4 is connected. You may ask that, is this actuation permanent or momentary? Well, it depends on the cylinder position. If the cylinder rod pushes this roller for a longer time, then the actuation will be for a long time. But if not, then it might be a momentary connection. So it depends on the actuation time. Now let me show you the symbol in the fluid sim software. I already have a double acting cylinder here and a 5x2 DCB to actuate this double acting cylinder. I hope you already know how to do these kind of things, and I also given some identification. Let me show you. So this is the actuation level. In the A0 position it start and ends 0, and the A1 position starts and end at 100 millimeter. Now in the electrical control section, you can see switches and contacts. Then scroll down and you will see contacts general. Here you can find the limit switches. So these are the limit switches. This limit switch is normally open. This limit switch is normally closed. And this is a makeover limit switch. But in order it to behave like a limit switch, we have to make some modifications. So double click on this. See, it's triggered by limit switch. You have to change the related object to A1, then press OK. I will do this for the rest of the two. So basically what will happen is that when this cylinder moves to this A1 position, something might happen to these limit switches. Let's see that. Let's start. Now actuating the 5x2. See, the behavior changes. Normally open becomes closed, normally closed becomes open, and the makeover limit switch redirects the connection. And you can see the cylinder is still in the A1 position. So these three limit switches will be in the actuating position. If I move this double acting cylinder to A0 position, then see what happens. See, all these three returns to the unactuated position. So this is how limit switch work. If you have any confusion, please write down. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.